Hi, this is Quantribe. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create multiple take profit levels and how you can partially take profit on these levels in your PineScript strategies. So here, for example, I have a very simple strategy. This is basically moving average strategy, and I have only one moving average, as you can see. And when my price cross over moving average, I go long. When my price cross under moving average, I go. I just basically close my long position, and also I have only one take profit at 5%, and I close like my entire position when my kind of position gain 5% in profits. So here you can see the code for that, for take profit. So P1 here is basically 1% of my price expressed in ticks. And this variable I need just to more kind of user-friendly define that, okay, I want to take profit at 5%. So as you can see, I close like entire position here with this strategy.exit function. So what you have to do to specify that you want to have like multiple take profits, and should you specify that you want partially close your position at this profits. So how you can do this? So to partially close your position, you can use quantity percent parameter, and with this parameter you have to specify what amount of your position do you want to close with this function, with this order. So for example, if I put this, so basically it means that 50% of the remaining position will be closed with this order. So if I want to create like another take profit level, I just have to copy that. I should set a different order ID, and I have to specify kind of like remaining quantity I want to close. So basically, if I want to have two take profit levels, I have to specify two levels, and first one, for example, will close 50% of my position, and second one will close 100% of the remaining position. And for example, I will put here 2.5% and 5% on the second one. Let's save it and see how it looks. So as you can see, now we have two take profits fired for this candle, and as you can see, we have one at 2.5% and another one in 5%. And as you can see, we had like 100% lots of Bitcoin USDT, and here we closed 50 with this first one and 50 with the second one, so it seems to work. If you want to have like more of take profits levels, so you can do this easily as well. Just copy another one, just create like unique ID for it, and just modify percent. For example, you want to close like 33% for the first one. We will close 50% of the remaining for the second one and 100% for the third one. So you actually need to do some math with this quantity percent, because this is influence like remaining percent of your positions. You need to calculate what will remain after your first position will be closed. First take profit will be taken, second one and third one. So to have like equal sizes, I need to do some math here and add this kind of stuff. So let's put this to, I don't know, like 1.5, this to 3, and let's see how it looks. So as you can see, it works pretty good. So we hit here our first take profit at like 1.5%, second one at 3%, and third one at 5%. So basically you can create many of them, as many as you want. And as you can see, it's quite simple. The only issue is that quantity percent, you need to calculate them properly, but except of that, it's quite easy. So I think that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.